So what day is it today? It's kind of like day 270 something. Um, it's crazy. It's honestly crazy to just, I've been doing ecom for longer than that. That's just like when I first started documenting. So it's just like, wow. Like to look back at it and to see all the things that I've learned and improved and at this point, so many things change within a few days. After a few days, new stores up, new testing strategies, new this, new that. I don't know, new ways of looking at it. Basically, every like few days, it just feels like way longer because like I've gone through so many like different store. I don't know, can't explain it. Well, obviously, I'm assuming since you're watching this. But I want to just cover a bit of like the lessons I've learned and also the, kind of update you on my business and what I've been doing. And right now we're recording this. It's like November 10, I think. Yeah, November 10. And, it's Q4. Prime time e-commerce. Basically prime time for any business. Like now is the time where sales just skyrocket. And there's just a lot of buying intention. There's a lot of desires. There's a lot of gifting. It's just, it's all just like a multiplier of like 3x basically. And I've seen so many people find their groove in this space. And I remember, obviously this Black Friday is not technically over. The end of the year is not technically over. And, to make real life-changing money, though, you have to be prepared from a business standpoint, like months before. So in that viewpoint, it's over. But obviously, like any test can just perform very well because of Black Friday still. And we still have till like, I would say, January, February with Valentine's. So there's going to be good buying intention for a while. And I remember just telling myself that like this was the year, this was Q4, and this Q4 I was going to make it. But you know what, though, even though I'm recording this on November 10, I've told you the same story about my YouTube, how last minute just everything falls into place. And God's timing is always perfect. Never early, never late. It's perfect. So I've been working very, very hard these last few weeks. Ever since I got back from my trip, I've been nonstop. And, I've lacked discipline in a lot of areas. I'm not perfect, but for business wise, I have been on it. I've been putting a lot of work. But honestly, at the end of the day, that doesn't mean that doesn't mean anything. Because again, you could be working very hard at McDonald's, but because it's McDonald's, it won't get you anywhere, right? So I'm really trying to work really, really hard, but I'm also trying to just learn at the same time, trying to improve. And at the end of the day, I've learned that, especially now with Q4, how like the buying intention is so big. You can throw up any product and it can actually perform very, very well for you. I've really learned to now not care about when a product fails. It used to bother me, or not bother me, but it used to like hit me more. It used to like make me think like, okay, what went wrong? What's this? What's that? But lately, I've just been understanding that a lot of this is luck, and to negate luck, you have to just do quantity. And I've been pumping out a lot of tests, even though, that these tests are not I don't get the results that I want. I know it's just one more test closer to the one that will hit. So I kind of see it as like, I kind of just move on quick. I take the failure and I just, all right, it failed. Let's just move on. Let's go. What's the next move? What's the next product? What's the next creative? What's the next offer? What's the next audience? What's next? I'm just so focused on what's next that I haven't even had time to like slow down, especially with the Discord growing, posting daily here, family, personal life, situations. I've just been non-stop, and don't get me wrong, I'm tired, but again, there's just some type of fulfillment of just fucking working, giving your best. There's just some type of fulfillment there. And even though, I'm not going to be a genie and predict the future, all I know is I got to focus on my inputs. And, the results will just speak for itself. And I have to stop getting distracted by other things, other strategies, other drama and personal life, other issues, and just focus and just pump. I agree now in this stage and where I am in my business, and in the stage of what the market is at right now with Black Friday, Christmas, all these gifting. I think it's just put as many tests as you possibly could. Fuck the money. Who cares what the fucking spend is? I'm pumping. I'm working. I'm researching, and I'm finding what's the next one to test, and I'm getting it done as fast as possible. Look, I don't have no fucking daily routine. I don't have no morning routine. Bro, I fucking just get up, straight to work. Whatever needs to be done gets done. That's it. That's all. And it's tiring again, like I said, but I don't know, man. Honestly, so I don't have the answers to everything. A lot of these people on YouTube pretend they do. Even them, they don't have the answers. All I know is that I'm fucking working, and I'm doing my best to lead by example and to show that it's possible. That's the whole point of this channel at the end of the day. Everyone has told me to make videos on to funnel people to your Discord, do this, do that, do this sponsor. And I could have I have done a few sponsors here and there for sure, but at the end of the day, I'm not going away from the vision of this channel. This channel is literally just a raw, authentic document of it's possible. Just a regular guy like me. I never put myself on a pedestal. I never say I'm better than you, or I never, ever, because I'm just someone like you who has a dream, similar dream, who's just working at it every day, who's taking the risk, who's taking everything out of his life, with all the doubt and with all the negativity. Everyone's saying to do this, do that. I got rid of it, took the risk, currently taking the risk, and just going all in. And I just want to prove to you that it's possible, and that's why I want to lead by example. But I do believe, I just keep saying it, it's coming soon. I feel it, and I just keep saying that in my head over and over again, because I know it's coming. And the more I say it, the more it's true, the more it's going to come into fruition. And I just can't stop now. I can't let go of the gas. Never will. Thank you for watching. Check out the community in the link. I think you'd like it. And I'll see you at the top.